Hey friends, if you wish to open XPS files in Windows 11, then you will have to download a tool called XPS Viewer. So, search for Store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Type the word XPS and hit enter. Wait for the list to load. Okay, now you can use any of these XPS Viewer files here, or right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab, scroll down, Optional Features, View Feature, and type XPS here. If you don't find anything, click on See Available Features, type XPS, and you'll find an XPS Viewer. Check this box and click on Add, and this way you can install Microsoft's own XPS Viewer on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.